Is your secondary display not recognized on Windows 11? This issue can be caused by connection problems, outdated drivers, or incorrect settings. Disconnect all external monitors. Reconnect them one by one while checking if the issue persists. If the problem continues, adjust your display settings. Press the Windows button. Open Settings. Click on System, left pane. Select Display, right side. Scroll down to Multiple Displays. Click the Detect button. If detection fails, try changing the display resolution to see if it resolves the issue. Press the Windows button, Open Settings. Go to Windows Update, left pane. Click Check for updates. Install any available updates. Restart and check if the problem persists. Right-click the Windows button. Select Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Right-click the affected device. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will install the best available driver. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.